What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with yet another hair review. Shout out to Westkiss Hair for sponsoring this video. I love working with them. This is my second time working with them. The first time was amazing. I'm back with some more curly hair, number 4 brown, and y'all, this hair is so bomb. We about to get into it, into how I installed it, the lengths, the details, all of that. Of course, all links will be down below. Let's get into how I got this look. Alright, y'all, so here is the unit. All I did was put makeup inside it. Since the color is like a brown color, I didn't really need to bleach the knots. I just put the makeup in it, and then I did go ahead and hot comb the hair back. So that's what y'all kind of see me doing now. Y'all, this hair super bomb. I only had really one major con to this hair, and we gonna get into that, so keep watching to just see what that is. But as y'all see, I'm going in with my alcohol and then my boho skin protectant. I'm gonna go ahead and just let that air dry a little bit, and then I'm going in with my boho active. Don't mind the ball cap, it's just like it wasn't cooperating with me that day, and then I have a low hairline on the side, so child, it was just whatever. But anyways, I believe 2 layers like I'm showing y'all, and y'all just see me putting the glue on, just getting it as thin as I can before I get ready to lay it down. So this install, it turned out good in the end, don't get me wrong, but I was really struggling right here because I was really trying to let the glue dry completely clear. And this is why I don't be letting the glue dry completely clear now. I know that's the way you're supposed to do it, but I don't know. Every time I do it, it's just like it almost gets too dry to the point where it doesn't stick. So y'all just saw me putting got to be glue on top because it just, I don't know if I dried the glue too much or what had happened. But in the end, I used this little blow dryer because my other one couldn't find it at the moment. But I'm just letting it blow dry basically. And I feel like the heat and the got to be glued is what really helped my lace like set into place. So now I'm just cutting the ear tabs off, and we're gonna go in to cutting the lace. Now this wig cap was small. I don't know what be going on. Like, maybe I need to tell all hair companies to just send me a large just in case, because every now and then it's hit or miss with like the cap size. And I had a pretty flat foundation. That could be another issue. If you don't have a flat enough foundation, of course all wigs will most likely be smaller because your foundation is bulky underneath. But I had a pretty flat enough foundation, and I don't have that big of a head, y'all, so I don't know. Next time I'll just tell them, like, if they have a large cap size, to just send that over. But yeah, so I just made it work. I always make wigs work even if they're too small. But yeah, this one was a bit on the small side, and I was just struggling. But anyways, I'm just letting the lace melt into place. Sorry about that airplane in the back if y'all hear it. I live next to the airport. I'm going ahead with my foaming lotion, and I'm just putting that all throughout the hair for the curls. I believe this is a 26-inch unit. Like I said, I will have all the links down below, so make sure y'all go check them out. So yes, I'm just going through and combing it out. I like to use water and foaming lotion just to help define my curls. So that is what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared at first to try this color. Not scared, but just didn't know what it was gonna look like, because I knew that it looked really close to my skin tone. But it turned out being really cute, and I kind of did like a monochromatic look in the end. Just, I like the neutral, it was giving. So now I'm plucking, because I didn't do that. I don't think I've plucked my wig beforehand in a while. Like, I kind of just put them on and then do the customizing on my head. But yeah, so now I'm just going ahead and taking out the hair for my baby hairs. I'm going ahead and hot combing that back, and it's looking pretty decent. I'm using my razor to cut the baby hairs, and I cut it out, but I end up spilling the foaming lotion down my face. It was one in my eye and all, child. But anyway, y'all just kind of see me doing these baby hairs. This is a pretty quick install, y'all. I cut a lot out just to save time and get straight to the point. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, because I'm trying to get into the group of like shorter videos and just put in more content over there of like things that I already do on my channel. So make sure y'all go follow me over there. But yeah, y'all just see me use my hot comb, putting the finishing touches, letting the band and everything melt, just to make sure this wig was secure, because like I said, it was on the smaller side. So I'm just going in with some makeup, perfecting the lace and everything. And that's literally it, y'all. That is how I got this install, how I got this look. Really easy, really simple. I love working with curly hair, especially in the summertime, even though it can get a little hot. This hair was pretty dense, but it was so pretty. It was long, and I don't know, I just like curly hair on myself, and I loved working with this color. So again, shout out to Westkiss Hair for sponsoring this video and sending over this unit. I just look at the look. Like, I put a brown bodysuit on, and I think it's giving with the gold. Real pretty. It's long, y'all, and it's just giving, if I do say so myself. In my experience, I got light shedding while working with this wig. It is curly, and on top of that, the cap size was a little small, but other than that, the hair was beautiful. Everything else about the hair was top tier. So if y'all interested, once again, the links will be down in the description box down below. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure you shop with Westkiss and tell them your girl sent y'all.